Hi, this is Kathleen de Ontiveros, and today I'm going to share with you what I have been crafting for the holiday season to give as gifts. This set is from My Porch Prints, and I purchased her kits off of Etsy. I will leave a link down below in the description box. She has lots and lots of tutorials on how to put her kits together on her YouTube channel. I will be making another video showing how I make my kits using her printouts, but you can absolutely go to her website or her YouTube channel and you can find out everything you need to know about crafting with her wonderful kits. This is called Loaded Pink Christmas Tags, and it is a really fun kit. It has all kinds of pretty tags. These you fussy cut out, and it takes a minute to do it, but they are really stunning when you finish putting the pocket together, because they have all of these cute little elements, and everybody, they've loved receiving these as gifts from me, and I've had a lot of fun making them. And they come with all the embellishments that you need. And if you need to have more of one of the tags, you can just print out another one of whichever page it is that you need, which is what I have done to get my extra little tags that I've used in this journal that I'm going to show you right now, or folio. This can be a standalone Christmas card. It can go into a bigger journal, just tucked right into the middle because it's thin, or it can be attached to the top of a Christmas present. It's very versatile. I made the little loaded pockets and I paper clipped it onto the folder, so the new owner, if they want to take this tag off and use the tag without using the complete journal, they can do that. So there's lots of options with making this one. You can actually start with the free folder, or you can make your own. The folder is free on her Facebook group. You can join that on Facebook under My Porch Prints. And she has it under the files section. And this one is called the Pink Christmas Gnome File Folder. And it was a freebie. And when you print it out, this side, the middle side, is white. And then the outside has this design on it. I ran it back through the printer with another download that I had from another kit that she had. And I put this design in the middle so that it wouldn't show white on this tag. But you could definitely, color that in, add a different tag, glue a different piece of scrapbook paper to it. You don't need to add the second layer of printing if you don't want to. I just chose to do that. You could also use cardstock, run it through the printer with your cardstock with the print side where it's going to be down, whichever way your printer takes it. And then this will print out on the other side, the white side of the cardstock. So that's another option. You could also take these, and if you wanted a different paper, you could use it as a template, lay it down on top of your other paper, scrapbook paper, trace it out, cut it out, and then you have an entirely different look with paper of your choice. So we're going to move forward by putting these aside. We'll come back to them in a minute. And we're going to talk about my little file folder folio. So again, this started out as a freebie that I printed out from My Porch Prints Facebook group. And I chose to glue scrapbook paper on the inside of this. I added a pocket. I printed out some extra tags from the loaded Christmas tag. And I fussy cut another one of these designs and I glued it to the top of the pocket. This tag is paper clipped on, but you could glue it on, or you could use some double-sided tape if you wanted to make it permanently onto this little folder. On this side, you could add more pockets. I'm probably going to come back and I'm going to add 3 pockets to this side because I want to put a lot more embellishments in and make it the entire folder look like this front pocket does. And I think that'll be really cute. Now I'm going to move on to the second project that I made using these loaded tags. And this one is a bit thicker and took more time to make. And it started out as another kit that I purchased from My Porch Prints. And this was another folio that she had, a Christmas one. And I made it, I printed it out and used it as exactly as she printed it out. But I did move forward and make another one using these as templates, again, on different scrapbook paper, traced it, cut it out, and then assembled it, and got an entirely different look using the same folio template, and added pockets all the way through it that I can fill full of tags, little notes or notebooks. And so this is going to be a really cute idea to be able to do with different seasons, different paper, different colors, and different themes, all from using the one kit that I purchased from her. This is the folio that I purchased. I actually glued another little tag to the front, and then I paper clipped one of my loaded pockets to the front so the owner could take the pocket off and they're still going to have a decorated cover, or they can choose to leave this little tag on with all the embellishments inside. These all come out. And you could swap these out. If you wanted to pull one of these off and use it on a gift, then you could, and add other embellishments in its place later. When you open it up, there is this little side pocket right here, and I printed this little card. I put a tag on it, slides into that pocket. This little notebook came with the kit, and I added some sheet music in it and did a pamphlet stitch, making it into a cute little notebook. And I put that right there into that pocket. The next page has another pocket, and again, I took some of the embellishment that came with the kit and I made it into a little notebook. Add that right into that little pocket. You don't have to make them into notebooks, but I like to do that sometimes. Then I left this open in the middle, did not glue that part, and I added another cute little tag, blank on the back, so you can journal on it, and you can add more tags into this section or folded up little notes, whatever you want. This side has another pocket, and I filled it with embellishments that came from the kit. She has these cute little tags, cute little booklets that you can journal on. Another cute little cookie embellishment right there. Another pocket and some embellishments. And this one, again, I made into a cute little notebook using a simple pamphlet stitch and embroidery thread and some of my scrapbook papers. The back has a pocket on it and another embellishment that came from the kit. She has lots and lots of cute things to add into it. This, again, you could either leave it blank for journaling, you could glue it shut to make a thicker embellishment tag, or you could add paper and turn it into another little notebook. And there's actually 2 pockets here on the back. And once you purchase the kit from her, you can print it out as many times as you need for your personal projects. So I think they're a really good value because you get the kit, you get the tutorial, and they come with all the embellishments that you need. I hope that you have had fun looking at my flip through and checking out what I've been crafting. The next video will actually be a hands-on crafting video. You'll get to watch me craft. So if you're interested in that, come back to my channel and I will see you again in the next video. Thank you, everybody. Love you a lot. Blessings and happy crafting.